Jet engine parts? They all made out of rhenium. Rhenium, the 75th element, and transition metal with 75 protons and 75 electrons with 111 neutrons. Rhenium was discovered in 1925 by Walter Nodak, Nodak, and Otto Berg with the density of 21.04 grams per centimeters cubed with a melting point of 3,455 degrees Kelvin and a boiling point of 5,870 degrees Kelvin. Rhenium has an atomic weight of 186.207 atomic mass units, and it was named after the Latin word, rhenus, which means Rhine. It is a silver-white metal with the highest melting point of any of the elements. The trio named the element after the Rhine River in Germany. 3 years after discovering it in several different minerals and ores, the team extracted 1 gram of rhenium. Rhenium was the last element to be discovered that had a stable isotope. Other elements have been discovered since that time, but they are radioactive. Rhenium is only one of 3 elements to have a stable isotope that is less abundant than its radioisotope. Rhenium's radioactive isotope has a half-life of around 100 billion years. Rhenium has the highest boiling point of any of the elements. Rhenium has the 3rd highest melting point of any element. Only tungsten and carbon have higher melting points. It is also the 4th highest element in density. Rhenium is one of the rarest elements found in the planet's crust. Its abundance can only be estimated, and that amount is thought to be between 1/2 and 1 part per billion in the Earth's crust. This makes rhenium the 77th most common element. The total global production of rhenium is only between 40 and 50 tons per year, most of which is extracted from ores in Chile. This level of rarity makes rhenium one of the most expensive metal elements, with some recent prices being as high as $1,500 per kilogram. Most rhenium is extracted from the refining of molybdenum or copper ores. The single most common commercial use for rhenium is in the alloys that make up jet engines. These alloys contain 6% rhenium, and are used to make the combustion chambers and other components of jets. When rhenium is alloyed with nickel, the end result is considered a superalloy for its greatly increased creeps. Stay tuned for osmium.